So we found this little shack. Looks like it had a little backyard here. A little front yard on the other side. I'm gonna check you over there and let you see. Little fenced in front yard too. As you can see, we're way out here, middle of nowhere. Let's go see what's inside. This roof is kind of collapsing in. Let's go in and see if we can't see anything. Got a collapsing roof. Oh, the wind's blowing, probably doesn't help with the roof much. Hopefully it had full power at one time. Little old hinge. Old ice chest. It's really coming down in here bad. Got the insulation coming down. Looks like someone may have been squatting in here at one time. Take a look over here. That old mattress. Sleeping bag. That's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because this roof is coming down. Here, look at this. An old broom head. Metal. Not sure what the name is on that. Here we got an old tin tray. Some bones. Old Budweiser can, it looks like. This would have been the front yard. You can see. Check out this. They actually went through all the work to add a little design to their fence. Isn't that cool? This would have been their little front yard.